friends, welcome to my new video. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna show you how to download Adobe Photoshop CS6. So without any further delay, let's start the video now. So guys, you have to come to this website and I will be giving the link of this website in comment section and in description box. So you have to search for Adobe Photoshop CS6 2020 and click download file, and then it will take you to another page, and you have to go down and click download Photoshop CS6, and after clicking that it will take you to another page, and here you have to save it wherever you have to want and then download it. So guys, after downloading you have to go to the folder where you have saved it and then click extract here on it, and it will be extracted in a few seconds. Then you have to go to the folder. Here it's the folder Photoshop CS6. You have to click on it, and here's the setup. You have to double click on it and then click run, and here it will ask you administrator permission and you have to click yes on it, and then you have to select your language and then click OK. Then you can read this and then click next. Then you have to click on accept. I accept the agreement, then click next, and here you can browse wherever you want to save and then click next, and click next again, and click on create a desktop icon if you want, and then click next. And here you have to copy the license key which is given in that folder only. In this folder, if you click on here activation key, there will be an activation key, and you have to copy this and go to the setup and paste it and then click next, and you have to click install on it. So guys, it will be installed now in a few seconds. You have to just wait. So guys, after installing you have to click finish on it. So now guys, our Photoshop CS6 is downloaded and installed. So let's give you the first impression of it. It will ask you for administrator permission and you have to click yes on it. And it will come in a few seconds only. So you have to just wait for it. Okay guys, here it has came and it will load for a few seconds. So guys, now our Adobe Photoshop CS6 is opened, and here you can edit your thumbnail, images, or whatever you want. So that's it for today's video guys. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video and comment down about the next video. Till then, bye bye, see you.